So it's that time again. Remember, you had to choose between 3 prizes. Let's just put this down. Second preference, third preference, and this was the first preference. And I had to draw 3 winners. And then I had to, if I draw your name first, you had to write down what was your preference. So first of all, thank you very much for everyone that participated, that has subscribed and become Crochet family. I think of you as Crochet family, and I've met so many wonderful people since I've become a YouTuber and opened this channel and just pressed that button. Anyway, so let's get going because everybody wants to know who is the winner. So I will, like last time, I film on my phone and then I do the random comment picker on my laptop, and I put a photograph for you at the end because I have to check who is, if you are a subscriber. Now there's various ways to check, but I check all of the ways. Okay, so here we go. The first winner for the random comment picker is Karen H. She says, I love all your ponchos. They are beautiful. My choice would be number 2, number 1, number 3. Now, Karen, congratulations. I have not met Karen in real life. I have spoken to her over the phone, WhatsApp. Those of you who know WhatsApp messages. And her first preference was number 2. So this is what you're winning today. And I will get it to you next week, I think. That is your prize. Very good prize. I have the same, so I love my hooks. And this, I love the color. Not sure if you can see the color today better than one can see last time, but it is a shocking pink. Anyway, this is Karen's prize. Let me quickly see. Okay, now the second winner is, so I actually know how to get hold of Karen. Okay, so I have her on WhatsApp. Haven't met her. It's going to be fun meeting you, Karen. Okay, now let's just do this. The second winner, I wrote it down in the order so I can read the comment correctly. The second winner is Paula Leon. Is it correctly pronounced? I'm not sure. And she says, those are some of the most beautiful shawls, ponchos I've ever seen. I would love any of the choices, but I live in America. However, I wish everyone else good luck and many blessings. So obviously, you all know it is for everybody. And if you do not win a prize, if you're not if you don't win a prize, if you're not in South Africa, if you're in America, like she says, you win an Amazon e-gift card. So now Paula must get in contact with me. Now obviously I'm going to go to Paula's comment and just reply, so that when someone replies, when I reply to one of your comments, you get an email. So she will get an email and hopefully she contacts me. I will give her 7 days to contact me, and if she hasn't contacted me by then, we must draw another winner. But yes, so that is Paula Leon, and that is the second winner. And the third winner is Cheryl Rundle. Lovely item, Ursula, and a smiley face. Now, Cheryl, I have read several of your comments on several of my tutorials, and thank you very much. Congratulations, Cheryl and Paula and Karen. Cheryl, you must also get in contact with me. Anybody can get in contact with me. On my About page is, if you scroll down on the About page, it says View Email Address, and you click on it. For business purposes, it says, well, I don't know why it says that. You just click on it, and it will do a little twirly thing that you must click on just so that it knows you're a person and not a robot or a whatever. So just click on that and my email address will appear, and just contact me, Cheryl and Paula Leon and Cheryl Randall. Contact me for your e-gift cards. And so now I have 2 prizes left. And what I will do is, let me think what I can do, because I have given it a little bit of thought, because this is going to Karen. So let me put this out of the way. Let me just put this here. And so what I'll do is, on every Tuesday I post a tutorial. Every Tuesday. So for these 2 prizes, I thought, let's just move it on. Why not? So what you can do is, on 8 December, which is this coming Tuesday, my next tutorial is coming out, and I'm not going to say anything about it. You will see my tutorial coming out. Tomorrow I have a live on, tomorrow is Friday at 6 p.m. Central African time, and I believe that is 11 a.m. Eastern time. I'll just remind you guys about it. And Monday I have another live. I'll remind you again. But on Tuesday, 8 December, I have a tutorial coming out, my weekly tutorial. And if you want to win this prize or this prize, please leave a comment on that video with the word rainbow in it. And I'm going to, in the comment picker, I'm going to pick out the word rainbow. So on that video on Tuesday, go and leave a comment, and the comment must have the word rainbow in it. So, again, it's for everybody. If you are outside of South Africa, now this time you can win an Amazon e-gift card of $25. So I will draw 2 winners, 1, 2. Like today, I draw 3 winners. On my wedding anniversary, 23 December, I will draw 2 winners. If you're in South Africa, I will send you the first prize or the second prize. If you're not in South Africa, you will get an Amazon e-gift card of $25. See? So that sounds good. I'll put all this in the description of this video. But if you want to win, where you need to participate is not on this video. You need to participate on the video coming out on Tuesday, 8 December. And I'll put that in the description as well. So have a look out. So, and then I'll draw the winner on 23 December, which is my wedding anniversary. Anyway, congratulations to the winners. Thank you very much for participating. And yes, by the way, obviously for all my giveaways, I'll just say it every time, you have to be a subscriber. So hit the subscribe, hit the like button, leave that comment with the word rainbow on the video of 8 December, which is Tuesday coming. And then on 23 December, my wedding anniversary, I will draw a winner. So everybody's getting ready for Christmas, and I hope you're also getting ready, and everybody's safe and sound. And I will see you in my tomorrow's live probably, and then again Monday's live, and in the YouTube streets. So bye bye.